Uh-oh. I got the hiccups. Oh no, they're not good. Ha ha! The cat in the hat has the hiccups. Hopping diddle dot. Why are you laughing at me because I got the hiccups? Killing the messenger. Oh no. I can't seem to stop them. I cannot stop these hiccups. Ha 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 ha! The cat has the hiccups. Oh no. Okay, just hold your breath. Okay, cat? Are you sure it's going to work? Okay. Start holding your breath. Okay, I'll try. 1, 2, 3. That didn't work. Let's try something else. How about you stand upside down on your head? But how am I gonna do that? Like this. Oh, now what am I going to do? I don't know what you're going to do. Now I have hiccups. No, don't know how to stop them. Maybe we're going to ask our good old friends, Trippy, Troppy, and Dog Day. They can help. Isn't it good walk, Dog Day? Yeah, it sure is. Do you hear a cat getting the hiccups? Is that the cat in the hat and the hopping diddle dot? Hi there, Dog Day. I got the hiccups. I do not know how to stop them. Please help me. Here, I'll help you. Bow! That doesn't scare me. Well, that won't work. How about this? Try hopping on one leg, like this. That'll get rid of your hiccups, cat in the hat. Okay, I'll try. That won't work. How about this? Oh, dear. The cat won't get rid of hiccups. Aha, I know. Go away, hiccup.